Most think sludge treatment is expensive because of equipment, but in reality, the biggest cost is something else. You see disposal cost, but you miss the iceberg. Most plants pay 3x more than they think. You pay to transport water. 80% moisture equals 4x truckload. Future cleanup. One mistake costs millions. EPA fines are no joke. Energy and maintenance. 47% of your drying bill is electricity. And chemicals? Pay twice. That's why modern solutions focus on reduction before disposal. Stop paying for water. Invest in value. We help you cut those hidden costs. No more hauling water. Volume down 70%. Freight bill slashed. No pollution, no fines. Closed loop, zero emission. Future-proof. Energy efficient. No chemicals. And your sludge becomes fuel or fertilizer.
We switched. Our total costs dropped by half. And no more surprises.
22 years. 1,600 plus projects. We know what you're facing. Click the link for your global sludge reduction blueprint.